are pleased to show you the 2019 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, front-wheel drive, cruise control, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows, fog lamps, power door locks, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.